Which Excel pivot table layout, compact, outline, tabular should I use? Imagine trying to make sense of a mountain of data in Excel. The way you organize your pivot table can make a huge difference in how easy it is to understand and work with. Today, we're going to look at 3 main layouts: compact, outline, and tabular, and see which one fits your needs best. First up is the compact layout. This is the default setting in Excel and is great for saving space. It stacks multiple row fields into one column with indentation to show hierarchy. If you're working on a small screen or want a clean look, this layout is perfect. It also has expand and collapse buttons, so you can hide or show details easily. But keep in mind, if you copy data from a compact layout, it can be tricky to analyze further because related data is nested in one column. It's best when you want a quick, easy-to-read summary right inside Excel. Next is the outline layout. This one separates each row field into its own column, making the data structure clearer. You can see the hierarchy more explicitly and spot subtotals at the top of each group. It takes up more horizontal space than compact, but is better if you want to analyze or reuse the data outside the pivot table. This layout works well when you have multiple levels of data and need to keep things organized for further work. Finally, the tabular layout. Think of this as a traditional table. Each field gets its own column, and item labels can be repeated on every row. This makes copying or exporting data straightforward, especially if you plan to do more calculations or filtering outside the pivot table. It uses the most space horizontally and doesn't show subtotals at the top of groups, but it's excellent for detailed reports and external data use. Choosing the right layout depends on what you need. Use compact when you want a simple, space-saving view. Opt for outline if you need clear hierarchy and subtotals. Go with tabular when you want a detailed, export-ready table. You can switch layouts easily by going to PivotTable Tools, then Design, and selecting Report Layout. If you want labels to repeat on every row, turn on Repeat All Item Labels. Think about your audience and how you'll use the data. Compact for dashboards, tabular for detailed reports, outline for intermediate clarity. Using the correct layout makes your data analysis smoother and your reports more effective.